Okay, I am the alpha, and you are my subordinates. Hey, guys. Oh, hi, Flappy. Can I play with you guys? No, direwolves only. Direwolves? Yes. Okay, I'll be a direwolf. No, you can't. Why not? You have to be big, poofy, and white to be a direwolf. I don't think it works like that. Actually, what Colossal made was just a modified grey wolf. The real-life direwolves were more closely related to the African jackal. What? I can't be smart and beautiful? You, beautiful, please take your basic bitch ass back to the dog park. Hey, don't call these little basic, you poser. The fuck did you call us? Do I need to spell it? P-L-Z-E-R. Poser. Get him. Don't make me kick your ass. You and what army? The Grey Wolves, motherfucker. You are outnumbered. If you really want to play direwolves, prepare to go extinct.